Alright, so here we are, getting ready for our little trip. Got some saddlebags on my bike. This is Dan's bike. We're all washing it up and make sure it's clean and nice. We'll be heading out soon.
I don't like going on a highway.
Yeah, sure. I don't either.
I'm not a highway person.
A lot of times.
Alright, so we're just meeting up here at Tony's house.
Guys, you have your tents, or are you going to be all in one tent with me?
No, man, I'm sleeping naked right on the grass, just like God intended it.
Well, mine's
Adam and Eve ruined it for me, man. My dream.
2 people, but I think if we squeeze, it'll be 6, okay?
Still waiting for a couple other guys to show up.
That's all right. I nibble just a little bit.
This is Tony, look at this guy, man.
I'm not liable for I do.
He's prepared, man. He's all packed up.
Everything, whatever you can think of. Even a toothbrush.
Yeah, his fishing poles. The only thing he forgot is his grill, man. Yeah.
Most people hide and do fly stuff.
So should be pretty good ride.
That's what
That's the thing. Like I like I said, I'm not gonna. They started making these tires for sport bikes, dude. Did they?
All right, here we are at Alex's house. That's his bike. Any last words, Alex?
Can't wait to hit the road.
I know.
Still waiting for another guy. And we'll be heading out.
None yet.
No, how old are you? 30. Okay, yeah, 31.
All right, let's hit it up, man.
So here we are at the gas station now. We got another bike here. There's 6 of us. Kawasaki. I got you, man. I got you.
I almost ran over you.
All right, so here we are again. Stop for the break. So what are you thinking, Tony? How's the ride?
Smooth.
That's nice.
I want to go swimming.
Hot, huh? Yeah, it is
I took
hot.
swimming shorts though. Let me go swim.
Yeah, we got another couple hours to drive until we get to our camping place. Look what it says. Women by birth only. That's right. This is South Carolina, baby. Check this out. This is funny, yeah.
I found it. We were riding in the mountains.
What?
I found it. We were riding in the mountains. There's some like little store. And I thought it was fun.
Oh, you got it from there? Alright, we're ready to head out.
It's easier for you guys to even ride. It's not like, look at me now.
Look at this guy. He thinks it's winter. He's got his. Almost,
hey,
you can see it.
you did better.
Almost like a ninja, man.
Nah, man, it's not.
Alright, so here we are at another stop, and Tony wants to go fishing already. We're by the lake.
Yes, sir.
Right there. It's pretty beautiful.
I couldn't skip one of those rocks. Just saying. I tried.
Now that is skip.
Skip right to the bottom.
Alright, folks.
I'm taking these pants off.
We're on the spot. This is our little campground site. We're gonna be spending the night here.
He said he's gonna sport
Yeah, look at this.
hammock, man.
Look at these beauties, man.
In this kind of weather?
Look at those beauties, especially this one.
The green one. The eyeball out of the bunch. Yeah, that is our changing area, right? The bathroom?
There's a lake right there.
Ask Smokey the bear. He knows his way around.
Yeah, we're gonna go take a swim
The only thing we got to be afraid about.
or something.
What?
Cool off a little bit.
I don't think the bears want to be out here this deep.
Especially on an island, yeah.
It ain't that kind of park.
Hey, boo-boo.
Look at this guy, man. He already.
Bear the woods. There you go. Alex, here's your line. Давай я струбай, зараз ти мені вдаси, як ти летиш.
Hey, man. Watch out from. You're gonna hit my bike, man.
Bikes, yeah.
Oh, man.
Я маю сокиру, підожди. О, блін, зараз у нас їх сама.
It's not as fun with a sukira.
Ти знаєш, мене
He
брейсик.
didn't tell you, he was Samson in his last time.
That's right.
There you go.
You guys get taking me camping.
Oh,
All
yeah.
right, what's next on the list? Destruction of government property? What's that? Dit is de grillgoed you told me.
Alright, we're all set up with tents.
I'm gonna get
This is Alex. Show us what you got. You sure did not forget his coffee.
No, sir. No, sir. We'll survive.
His coffee. His little mug or whatever this is.
Lavazza Crema Blend. One of my favorites.
Oh man, we're gonna try it out tomorrow morning.
Tonight.
Tonight?
Yes, sir.
He's got his music going. Little speaker. This. What is that? Man?
Put this on top.
Are you gonna boil it?
Little cooking
It's not that sharp.
device.
It's actually pretty sharp.
Alright, then he's trying to get the fire started.
The fire started. Burn his roof down.
Hey, if we start the fire, we can't leave. Weren't we supposed to go eat somewhere?
So we just stopped by to grab something to eat. I got some other bikers here also.
Just wait the bikers are right there. Like, what are you doing? Are you gonna call us or what?
Oh, look at this place. This is nice. You got sand. Looks like it's in Florida or something. Look at this. Very nice.
Guys. We gonna be perfect nature. Oh, yeah. What? My mama told me, she said, son, please beware. Wait a minute, there's a thing called love. It's everywhere. Yes, it is. Wait a minute.
So this is the next morning, and we are packing up and about to hit the road again.
Are we gonna hit the road soon? Huh? Yeah, I figured we were gonna take a walk or something. A walk?
Looks like you're enjoying it, Alex.
Yeah, it's good, man. This is my next purchase right here, thanks to Alex. Would you like a lump of sugar?
Yeah, there you go. Alex making us some of his famous coffee. That's good. That's good. Alright, so we're just about to head out back home. That was a nice little camping site. We're gonna stop by, get something to eat. So here we are. Stop by McDonald's.
Like the best
Grab some.
hole in the wall ever.
Get some pancakes, man.
High five! Yeah!
Oh, I forgot my finger.
I use your right hand too.
Nice one, nice one. Oh, look at that, there's a Wells Fargo.
Told you, man. You don't want to be my enemy. You'll never see it coming.
Oh, look at that, there's a Chinese buffet, guys.
But here we are at Monroe. We're about to finishing up our little trip. We're gonna be splitting up. So that was a pretty nice ride, and I got a chance to ride this bike, and it feels good. Got plenty of power. Handles very nice. I like it.